Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the email address on Instagram in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Account Center. Now tap on Personal Details. Then select Contact Info. Tap on your current email address, then tap on the Delete Email button. Confirm again. Tap on Replace Email. Enter your new email address and tap Next. Instagram will send a confirmation code to your new email. Check your inbox and enter the code to verify. Once verified, your email address will be updated. And that's it. How to change the email address on Instagram. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.